What's up, guys? Austin 40 here, CDA equipment. Today we're gonna check out a Volvo 160 paired with the Shearex VM-40 and also a Kobelco 170 paired with the Shearex VM-40. We'll walk around the machine, show you what's up, do some mulching. Winds are pretty nautical here today, so we'll see how she goes. Alright, first we gotta switch war wagons though. We gotta look at this guy right here. Our fuck Kubota here. You see this is some of our finished product. It's been a pretty unique forest. Looks like we're getting nautical with the rain now too, so it should be a good day. No dust. Go from 95 to 60 mile an hour winds and raining. A little Kobelco down there. We're just gonna swap over real quick, get all our shit into here, and we'll fucking start going. I don't know what dumb fuck didn't buy a roof for this thing, but it sucks really bad without one. Oh wait, that was fucking me, cheap fuck. Got our finished product here, boys. That's all excavator. All we really like to use is excavators. Skid steers have their place, but excavators got a lot more control. The machines last a lot longer, hold their value a lot better. Skid steers, you're only gonna get a couple thousand hours out of them. You know, $200,000 fucking 2,000 hour machine, it's not that cool. So excavators, we can actually, you know, hold our value. I buy them with 3,000 hours on them, you know, and actually get decent deals on them. You don't gotta buy them new. Let's see what we got here. There's a lot of blow down, but we'll mulch this later, you know. That's what we're gonna be mulching right there. You can tell, thick as fuck. This is how this was right here. We got our Volvo 160. I'm gonna park this poor little Kubota out of the way, out of harm's way. We're gonna start in this area right here. A lot of Doug fir, a lot of vine maple. But it's so windy and nautical, man. I'm not gonna walk around the machine right now. I'm gonna grease this fucking head and get into the guarded cap. Got a tangled up fucking disaster here, but what do? We're gonna clear our way through here. We got some fucking good vine maple patch there. We got some cedar, some good Doug fir over here. So we're gonna take all this crap here in the middle and make the lane. I'm at the bottom of the hill where I was because it got a little too steep for this piece of shit. So we're working our way up. We're gonna start connecting everything. If you look behind me, which you can't, I have a vine maple fucking disaster, but this thing eats it so easy that it's just, you know, one swipe, it sucks the whole thing in. These fucking root wads are pretty nasty. Now that's at least a 12-inch vine maple stump right there. This thing just eats it like it's fucking nothing. You gotta love the freaking, the sleekness of a Shearex. You know, I used to sell a lot of F80s, which I still like F80, don't get me wrong. But the head, you know, for this size machine is about twice the size of this thing. And it's just, they just don't eat as good. They fall apart more. or they fall apart. These things don't fall apart. And you need the nimble if you're climbing hills. Like, it's all about being nimble. Like, you do not want a big ass head if you're climbing hills. Now, if you're doing a shit ton of brush, yeah, that's one thing. That's awesome. But you want nimble. You want to be able to reach in between trees. You want to be light as you're freaking climbing up hills. You want to be hot. You want to be nice and light all the time, really. And for how much power, I mean, you don't have to give these drums that much power. We're only 38 gallons per minute. I think it's your 5,000 or 4,500 psi on this guy. I mean, that's all you need. This machine will put out like 65, 70 gallons per minute. But you don't need that. You're just gonna take away from the rest of your machine for shit you don't need. And once you start giving it that much power, you're really just hurting yourself. It's like you're not really gaining anything. It's just like the head will spool up, well, then everything else sucks. Well, stop dancing on me. Cedar in here. Ooh, vine maple still. Look at that. Turn this fucker a little bit. That's so much vine maple underneath. I'm losing my tracks. It's alright. We'll turn around. We'll clear up here in a second. You can tell the difference between cedar and vine maple. Vine maple just fucking blows apart. It's almost like it breaks too easy. Can't control it. Now, with new teeth, I can just leave my door open all day. When your teeth suck, you really gotta close the door to keep these little trees in, or else they just bounce all over the place. And it's like you're running around with a hammer trying to break these things. As you can see, I've finessed the fucking thing. I don't try to fucking see how fucking fast we can go down on the tree. You just fucking take her nice and easy on there, finesse it down, you'll be just fine. You don't need to fucking shove the fucking thing down as hard as you can. You want to keep this head spooled up. A little tippy amount of stuff. Fucker, suck that fucker. It's always an accomplishment when you can see the other side of the fucking maze. Plug these things up, don't fucking get out. Don't be a dum-dum. Just do this, back spin it, good to go. Yeah, she's dead. We'll kill her. In the way. Oh, don't even give me a chance to eat ya, huh? She gone. My maple, she gone. Don't you dare follow me. So yeah, we got a maze of fighting. See now this? Dead, moving around like that. Now we're gonna close the door. Kill that stupid thing. Open her back up. Shit's jumping around on me like this. I just give her the old fucking up and down. I'll try to chase her around. She might look like a mess right now, boys, but once we work our way to the end there, we're gonna turn around, do our passes and clean her up. We're just gonna make lanes the whole time. All day long, you just make lanes. Whoa! Alright, so now that the wind's not so nautical and it's actually nice out. So this is the Volvo 160 here, like 2019 or something. Shearex VM-40. Good combo. The Volvo, I was a little unimpressed by the balance of it. So we took the thumb off like the second hour I was here because I couldn't stand it. Shearex VM-40, it's a great head. This is definitely our #1 sold head. Ooh, we broke a tooth, look at that. These teeth are in rock all day. So it's been so dry out, what I do is I just take them off and I sharpen them at the shop about every 2 days. If you're in rock, you will break teeth. But this head you could not cut. This is by far the #1 cutting head I've ever had. It is worth changing teeth once in a while. There's our Volvo here. Guarding done by Jake Big Iron Fab. Makes these nice bolt-on deals for the top and for the window guard there. Catwalks, log guard, all good stuff. This one is deleted, so usually we're about 150 horse, probably about 160, 170. You can definitely tell with this machine. Look at this. It's trying to
regen on me all day, so I ate like 3/4 of the tank. Kind of weird. But as far as the head goes, it fits perfect. I mean, we're making great product out here with these heads. I mean, it almost looks as good as a skid steer, if not the same. So I mean, we did about an acre and 3/4 today, I think. Almost finished spec. We're gonna come in, limb this shit, finish it off. But no, it's a great combo. Shearex is awesome. I definitely recommend it. See here, we got fucking Uncle Kyler fagging off as usual. Look at that, dude. Fucking tits. Going a little fucking chipper action there. And of course another Shearex. That'll track today.